Did you know that your washing machine is a virus, fungus, and disease breeding machine? You have laundry detergent that scrubs your clothes but stays stuck in the fabric, locking in and attracting even more dirt and oil. Your high-efficiency washing machines use very little water, so the clothing ends up sloshing around in its own filth for an hour before being vaguely spun out, leaving all of the existing muck and sticky detergent film in your clothes. In fact, the bacteria and fungi look forward to a good washing so they can breed even more. Does your laundry have to be this way? I'm here to tell you, no, it doesn't. Detergents are not what they used to be, and their cleaning power has been crippled. But there is a simple and inexpensive way to fix this. And no, it's not what you're thinking. Stick with me for this short video, and I'm going to reveal to you the story of how your laundry got so filthy and the secret detergent manufacturers don't want you to know about. Hi, my name is Robert Marshall from Renaissance Household. Our company is dedicated to restoring traditional homemaking using tried and true ingredients, methods, and long-lost secrets. We have helped thousands of households improve their quality of life at home and can do the same for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you my journey through the laundry wringer and how I discovered the secret to pristinely clean laundry. You'll want to stick around because the story is actually quite embarrassing. My mother-in-law is the Betty Crocker of cleaning. Every surface in her house is pristine. Her favorite pastime is washing dishes and doing laundry. Her skirts and blouses are always meticulously ironed and starched, and she even carries a small lint roller in her purse to ensure that there's not a speck of lint or dust on her clothes. One morning, my wife informed me that my mother-in-law would be flying into town the next day to make a surprise overnight visit. I was assigned laundry duty to ensure that we had a freshly washed set of sheets and towels for her arrival. I rolled up my sleeves, grabbed a laundry basket full of towels, and dutifully followed the instructions on the detergent bottle. When my mother-in-law arrived the following evening, I escorted her to the guest bedroom and proudly informed her that I had personally washed her clean set of sheets and towels. I then invited her to join us for dinner downstairs in the dining room. As she came down the stairs a few minutes later, she sat down at the dinner table and declared, "Your towels and sheets smell like a wet dog, and Robert, I can smell your stinky socks from here." After dinner, my wife grilled me on my laundering techniques, and I explained that I had dutifully followed the instructions on the detergent bottle. I defiantly marched to the linen closet and pulled out a clean set of towels and sheets and smelled them myself. I inhaled, and behind a mask of detergent fragrances and fabric softener, I smelt a lingering stench of wet dog. Over the next few days, I began to pay closer attention to all of our clothes. Why were my t-shirts so smelly and my armpits getting so stained? Why were my sheets not crisp and spotless? Why did my napkins feel a bit oily? Why do our towels have that faint hint of wet dog even after a good washing? Assuming we were just using a cheap detergent, I drove to the store and beelined straight to the laundry aisle. As I turned the corner, I was presented with a surprising display of items. What did I need? A pre-detergent, spot cleaner, detergent booster, power gel, or a soaking agent. Maybe instead a scrub, spray stain remover, boost pod, or stain pen. What if I really needed bleaches, peroxides, sanitizer, softeners, or fragrance beads? Maybe I needed a cleaner for our washing machine itself. Over the next few months, I started testing these products one by one. The laundry boosters seemed to help a little bit with the stains, but the underlying smell was still there. So I tried the peroxides, and they seemed to be in the same boat as the laundry boosters. A little better with stains, but no help with the stench. Next, I tried the fragrance beads, and wow, were they potent. Now, along with my laundry, my entire house smelled like romantic lavender bliss. But after a few days and a closer sniff of my towels, I could tell that all the fragrance beads were doing was covering up rather than eliminating the stench. So I started using bleach on our clothes. Quickly, I discovered that this came with a host of its own issues. I attempted to dilute it for use on our dark clothes, but lost way too many shirts to bleach staining. Using bleach on our white laundry sort of worked. While it did help remove the wet dog smell, It also meant I walked around smelling like a toxic swimming pool. After some time, I also noticed that my white clothing appeared to be wearing out much faster than they typically would. And I started studying more about how bleach interacts with the fabrics in our clothing. I discovered bleach is an extremely aggressive chemical to be pouring into our laundry. It's absolutely horrible for all our clothing. It is and always will be a corrosive agent. It's clothing death. Is this what my laundry was destined to? Bleach eating our clothes, causing the threads to corrode, requiring me to replace my clothes year after year, all while stinking like a swimming pool. Meanwhile, my denim and other dark laundry was destined to a quagmire of germ-ridden stench. Faced with this defeat, I dug deeper into my research. As I pored over the history of detergent manufacturing, I finally discovered the secret. I discovered the secret to why our detergents don't work anymore and how making one simple change can remove the stink finally and forever. You can restore to your wardrobe the brilliant whites and the brightened clothes of days past. Finally, after all my searching, all my testing, all my failures, I have hit the laundry jackpot. I have been doing this and the results are nothing short of mind-boggling. Everything comes out clean, not only perfectly clean, but also smelling fantastic. No more wet dog, no more stinky socks, no more romantic lavender bliss. You can hit the laundry jackpot too. I have created in-depth instructional materials for you that will break down how to do this for yourself. Click the link on this page to purchase it now and get instant access to this life-changing knowledge. Not only will it save you loads of money in the long run, but it means no more wet dog towels and stinky socks. Finally, you can have that beautifully clean and fresh-smelling laundry too. Making this change is simple and inexpensive. You can forget all the bleaches, sprays, additives, boosters, peroxides, fragrance beads, and everything else. Throw them all away. You'll never look back. Poop, mud, blood, vomit, or whatever are no match for the super cleaning power you'll have, and all your clothes will be left miraculously clean. I spent years experimenting in damaging clothing, buying thousands of dollars of cleaning products and additives so that you don't have to. Save yourself years of trial and error and a lifetime of dirty clothes, and fast-track yourself to pristinely clean laundry today. By choosing to act now, I will also include a limited-time bonus offer that explains how you can also get sparkling clean dishes and carpets that actually stay clean. Not only can you finally have clean laundry like we used to have, but you will see a remarkable difference in your dishes. No cloudy films, but instead, glassware clear as crystal and silverware pots and pans that shine like a mirror. Click the offer on this page to learn how today. Nowhere else will you find a clean like this. You don't have to believe me. Just listen to a few of these reviews. Lisa K says, I wash 5 loads per week of filthy, stained football and baseball uniforms. I'm old enough to remember when laundry soap cleaned like it should. If you're struggling with soap that doesn't clean, try this. You'll be amazed. Nathan D. reviewed, The Laundry Champ. Modern detergents just flat out don't clean clothes like the old detergents of yesteryear. Modern laundry soap is loaded with fragrances to cover up the smelly odors they can't remove. Wendy says, Now I know the secret of getting clothes really clean and whites white again, like we did 50 years ago. Nothing else compares. You can know the laundry cleaning secret by clicking the link on this page now. Thanks so much for joining me on my journey. I'm Robert Marshall with Renaissance Household. You can unlock a cleaning renaissance in your home. Click now to purchase this limited time discount plus our bonus cleaning tips. Wishing you a clean and happy home.